Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below. It will help the channel grow. In this video, I'll show you how to do contract or futures trading on BitZ app. BitZ app is one of the world's leading digital asset trading exchanges, providing professional digital assets trading and OTC or over-the-counter services. Alright, let me open the app. By the way, if you haven't registered, check video description for the sign up link and get $10 free bonus. No deposit needed and you can immediately use it for futures trading. All you have to do is to register using the link below and complete the platform level 2 KYC verification. You can earn up to 387 sign up bonus and coupon. Here's how BitZ looks like. Below are the main navigations. To do contract or futures trading, make sure you have funds on your futures account. To check, go to Assets, select Futures. Right now, you will see I have $10 available on my futures account. This is the sign-up bonus which you can claim to whenever you sign up under my link. Just check the video description. To start futures trading, you can click here or tap on Futures. By the way, this will be just a beginner's guide for you to know how it's being done. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. With BitZ, you can use the simulated to practice. But for this video, I'll show you how it's being done in real market. Choose your trading pairs by tapping this. Let me pick BTC/USDT perpetual pairs. This section shows short positions, and these are the long positions. Between will be the market price of the coin, which is Bitcoin. Select your leverage. It starts with ×2 up to 125 times leverage. Leverage is the ability to control a large contract value with a relatively small amount of capital. Now, choose which type you want to use. Isolated or cross margin. Isolated margin means margin assigned to a position is restricted to a certain amount. If the margin falls below the maintenance margin level, the position is liquidated. While cross margin is a margin that is shared between open positions. When needed, a position will draw more margin from the total account balance to avoid liquidation. For beginners, it's advisable to use isolated margin. The stop limit can be set when you open a new position or in a current position. You can also turn on flash order. This means after the flash order mode is turned on, the second confirmation and the preset stop loss limit function will be omitted and each order will be placed directly. Tap on I got it. Here, you input the price and then the amount you want to trade. You can use this to set the amount from 0 to 100%. Under will be your available balance. Right now, I have $10 bonus which I'll be using for testing to show you how it's being done. So let me set the amount to 50%. If you expect the market to rise, go long or buy. If the market does rise, it will be profitable, otherwise it will lose money. Or if you think the market will fall, go short. If the market does fall, it will be profitable too. Right now, I think the market will go down, so I will be shorting. Tap on short. Now, you have to set your stop limit. In my case, I will just use the system RCMD, though you can also customize it. Then once decided, tap confirm. Once confirmed, your trade will be shown on open orders. After a few minutes, it will be on your active trades and will be shown on positions tab. Here is your margin trade, which is your invested money, but since we use futures isolated margin trading, BitZ will let us borrow additional money that makes it $34.08 USDT in total. This section shows the gain or loss on your trade. And right now, I am in gain. You can edit your stop limit, do ordinary close to change your liquidation contract, or do flash close, which means immediately close the trade. Since this is just a tutorial and we are already in gain, I'll take profit and do flash close. Hit confirm. To check your trade, click all. Here, we'll show your order details. To see your profit, tap P&L. It's actually my first time trying futures trading, and BitZ makes it really simple for newbies like me. I got 0.11 USDT profit, so I have a total of $10.11 in balance. Let's make another trade. I will put it to isolated again because if I use cross margin, the borrowed amount or the borrowed money will get liquidated too. And I'll have to pay that, which I don't want to happen. As a beginner, stick with isolated margin trading. Let me pick 50 times leverage, set the price, and then the amount. We'll stick to 50%. I will short again for this trade and use system RCMD, but you can set your own stop limit and just hit confirm. This time I got liquidated and lost 0.75 cents. Same with the third attempt. On my fourth trade, I go for long, and this time I am in gain of 20% up, so I won't take that risk anymore and take profit. So I just click flash close. Now go to all again and then P&L to check profit. For this trade, I gained 0.75 cents USDT. Let's trade for one last time. Just the same pairs, BTC/USDT. And based on the price graph, I think it's going to go up. I will stick with isolated margin and put 10 times leverage. Input the price. You can also just click the current price here. Then we'll set it to 50% of my available balance. Once set, click long. And I will use system RCMD. Hit confirm. You will see your latest trade under Positions tab. Let's wait for a while.
2 seconds later.
Right now, I'm in gain. Imagine if you have large trade amount and in few minutes you can be in profit already. Though the risk is high for futures trading because if you are wrong with your prediction or analysis, you will lose money quickly. So be cautious. For this trade, I earned 0.07 cents. My advice is do your own research well, study trading graph, and if you're a newbie, try to follow expert traders on Twitter, Telegram, etc. that give signal as a guide whether to short or long. It's a gamble, so always jor. Hope this video helps you out as a beginner. If yes, please share love by liking the video, subscribe to support the channel, and hit notification bell to stay updated with my uploads. See you on my next video.